Good morning. Welcome to day 30. Here we're sitting outside in the sun. Oh, and it was so cozy yesterday. The horses was eating. I don't know the name.
Eat.
No? In that backyard. So we could hear them. So we'll go out here and see them.
Yeah, and it really wasn't cozy. I'm afraid of horses, and they are huge. Yeah.
And this is heaven.
Yeah.
We just get dressed up for the camera.
Yeah. And oatmeal for breakfast. We already shoved one coffee down, and we're gonna take one coffee after the oatmeal. And a beautiful morning.
Yeah.
So I'm really happy. I got the what to say, bee sting on my foot. Maybe you can see it's all swollen up. So like I said, I'm a little bit sensitive about everything. So it's all swollen, the left feet. But
we don't. I have the cold, I have my hips, you have the bee sting, you have all the mosquito stings.
yeah.
But we are lucky with the accommodations.
Well,
oh, this was good.
yeah, and that's why we have been really lucky with our accommodation. We plan to do the whole trip in a tent, but when you think about great weather and no sore backs or sore throats or sickness or anything, so.
But it's our travel, it's our journey.
Yeah.
We sleep inside.
Yeah, nice to.
We sleep in tent.
Yeah, nice to support this
No.
little local businesses like this lovely lady here with a horse farm and everything.
No, it is. It really is.
Yeah. And small shops and everything. So that's very fun. Ooh, this was good.
So we will eat up here and get ready.
Yeah, and we got milk.
Yeah, from the lady as well.
Yeah. We will eat up and then we'll
get ready and we will
hit the showers and then we will walk to Nora and do some shopping as well. So
see you on the road.
I hope so. And the road is back that way. Hopefully no horses.
Well, we're walking and yeah, I have been coughing a lot this night. I'm heavy in my chest, so we have decided to hike into the Nora, and we're going to stay inside this night as well.
Yeah, and it's only a 10 kilometers walk, but we cannot walk when Anna is coughing the whole night. She kept me awake and she was awake herself.
And so sometimes I'm coughing up something, but otherwise it's just tickling the whole time in my throat. The dry cough. It's a little bit hard to get when we walk uphill and stuff. It's so, but it is what it is. We're gonna make this hike today and say.
Yeah. Oh, sorry, the coughing lady. Yeah, so today only 10 kilometers walk, and then we hit Nora, and there is a city hotel. We already pre-booked it, so it gets easier for Anna to walk, and then hopefully tomorrow we can walk on, but I think so. She just need it was a long day yesterday, 22 kilometers, and it is super hot. So, but today is gonna be a nice day because hot weather, blue skies, and no rain, maybe thunder if we're lucky. I like the thunder. And Nora is a small town, but they have a grocery store. So maybe we can make some delicious dinner in the room if we have a water cooker, or else I'm gonna take the Tangea kitchen and make some, maybe some fancy food for Anna, because she's worth it today. So let's keep on walking. And the coughing lady, she is coming.
And right here we have a viper. Can I get one? Can you see him? That was a beauty. I'm a little bit afraid. I don't want him to bite me.
The only poisonous snake in Sweden.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I will... Oh, this one is stinging me as well.
Yeah.
The bee is stinging my legs.
Yeah.
I want to do...
Beautiful species. Look at this view. Incredible. And we think this is Nora. We don't know. We haven't checked our phones yet. But maybe the outskirts of Nora it can be. But look at that, beautiful lake, nice houses, and a non-coughing Anna for the moment.
Yeah, because I'm quiet.
Yeah, and she says to me, you have to do the filming, because if I film, I'm gonna cough. And so that's okay.
What a beautiful church.
Yeah.
The church tower.
Yeah, nice. But I like me the lake.
Oh,
Here we
for sale.
just call Therese Andersson and she will hook you up with this house. Only $200,000 maybe.
You have no idea.
But what can the price be? It's a big new house.
With this view.
Yes, I think at least $200,000.
Because if you can see water from your window.
Yeah, it's double the price.
Yeah.
So maybe it's $400,000 here.
Can be.
Yeah. But it's nice to be here, and hopefully Anna can get some extra. Head northwest. Now she's talking. And hopefully Anna can get some maybe cough medicine or something for her throat. So we have to see. So we can continue our beautiful hikes every day. This is what we like. But we don't like
Slight left.
Slight left. But I have to look at my phone.
A Swedish neighborhood. And now we are in Nora, and look at this. Some old quarters. Beautiful houses. The big church is over there. And this road, an old one. And a restaurant here. So this is our accommodation next to the big church, so right in the middle, right in the center of the city. Här var vi med. So, welcome home to our nice city hotel. Oh, nice chairs,
Yeah, beautiful.
nice TV.
A fan.
We have a kettle. Ah, and a fan. That means that this room maybe gets a bit hot. And the view was...
A restaurant is down there and a church. And
There is a church.
eating ice cream out there. And perfect with a
Ah,
kettle. That
yeah.
makes me happy.
But this was a very, very nice room. Ah, here, show the toilet.
Huh. And here's the bathroom. And shampoo and conditioner. Everything you need, and even a heater, so we can wash our clothes. We haven't walked far, but we are super sweaty.
Ah, completely soaked.
Yeah.
And look at this high window.
Yeah, high roof. But this was incredible. Huh?
Oh,
A perfect place.
soft bed.
But let's go out and see what we can explore on the city of Nora. Looks nice. Look at this. Small beautiful houses. It's a lovely little town, this Nora. We got antiques, some clothes, pictures. We got everything. And what do we got in here? I like this alleyways, you know that. And in this little alleyway, nice. Beautiful house again. I really enjoy this.
And look at that old wooden house over there.
Yeah.
They have preserved it.
And a modern house just above it. Super nice. We are looking for a grocery store. Yeah. Beautiful. We're looking for a grocery store, so we're just wandering around. And it was nice to just put in 10 Ks with the backpack today. So, and I can't stop coughing, and we have to find a pharmacy as well. And we got a beautiful church. Big one. Look at that. Massive. And a square where it's happening. You got restaurants over there. Restaurants over there. And a nice water feature as well. And Anna just skipping along. And the Sun Sushi. They got everything you need. Sushi. Oh.
And a pharmacy. See ya.
See ya.
And now we're walking home with with some soda.
Yeah. And this is the end of this video. So thank you for watching. And,
Sorry.
a little bit of a more city video and a hiking video for today. So it's gonna be a nice one. And I think you have to go in there to ask for ice. That's our restaurant, I think. So thank you for watching. Tell all your friends, subscribe, thumb up and everything, and see you tomorrow. Bye bye.
And right here we have a viper. Can I get one? Can you see him? That was a beauty. I'm a little bit afraid. I don't want him to bite me.
The only poisonous snake in Sweden.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I will... Oh, this one is stinging me as well.
Yeah.
The bee is stinging my legs.
Yeah. But
I want to do...
Beautiful species.